In a nutshell, Care and Repair is about giving people the opportunity to help older people in their own community to stay at home with a bit more independence and a bit more freedom, so that they have someone that they can call when they need bits and pieces done around their home. So helping people with these small bits and pieces, it's so important. And regular visits as well are part of Care and Repair. And it really is an excellent programme, and we're always looking for more volunteers to take part, and we're looking for groups as well around the country to get involved and to set up Care and Repair in their own area.